Story time. Never let a third person in your marriage. So, guys, let me tell you what happened yesterday because honestly, it really opened my eyes. Yesterday evening, my cousin and her husband got into a serious fight. It wasn't just a small misunderstanding. It was one of those arguments where emotions are high and things can easily get out of control. So later on, my cousin reached out to me and asked me to talk to her husband, hoping I could calm him down and help stop the behavior that was causing the problem. So, because family is family, I agreed. I thought I was helping. I believed I was doing the right things. Fast forward to this morning, I wake up and checked my phone, and I saw something that really made me pause. So, on my cousin's WhatsApp status, she wrote, um, a relationship is between two people, and no one else has the right to be getting involved. So, now when I saw that, I instantly understood the message. Whether she means a third person outside influence or someone being allowed into private marital matters, the message was clear. Sometimes when couple are going through issues, involving others, even family, can make things worse instead of better. So, what starts as seeking help can slowly turn into outsiders having opinions, taking sides, or adding pressure to an already fragile situation. So, the biggest lesson I've learned from this, guys, marriage problems should be first handed between the two people in the marriage. Not everyone invited to help actually helps. Too many voices can confuse, divide, or even damage relationships. Yes, the support is very important, but boundaries are even more important. So not every fight needs an audience, and not every issue needs a mediator. Also, sometimes protecting your marriage mean keeping certain matters private. So, um, so honestly, guys, sometimes most things that occur in a relationship need to be kept, yes, between the people who are in, yeah, the wife and the husband or fiancés, if I can say that. So when other people get involved, matters get worse. Honestly, trust me. Privacy is ruined. Rumor occurs. Yes, fights get intense and secrets are even revealed. So when you are in a relationship, you solve your problem with your partner and you share your feelings with your partner. So don't let other people get involved and influence in the wrong ways. So if you like this story or learned something from it, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about involving others in marital issues. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. As you can see, guys, so in this video, I'm giving you an idea about Christmas snacks. So yeah, don't forget to make it for your children or to your visitors. Bye.